then turn left onto Fossway Lane. Turn left onto Fossway Lane. In 50 yards, at the roundabout, take the third exit and stay on Fossway Lane. In 300 yards, you will arrive at your destination.
It's going to be a nice day today. Just got to find where everyone's working now. Two swans there.
And this will be a turning basin.
Oh, like a winding hole,
Yeah.
sort of thing.
Well,
Okay.
yeah, because you're going to have to get the boats down and round. You can't go around the right
Of
angle.
course, yeah.
That's fairly well built up at the minute.
Then they'll go up that way.
And then we own all the land between the railway, well, from the railway embankment this way. There's a massive great section down there which will get filled in with the spoil from all the stuff we dig out there. So it was the old idea of
Yeah.
the water table would feed the canal, but now the canal would feed the water table.
Just admit that sun's nice. It's warm.
Another reason for doing the gorse in January, February is before the birds nest.
Oh, okay.
Not woodcock, not many actually nest along there, but you know. Go straight up there, that'd be lovely. We're doing about...
Alright, today's job's chopping all this out. Gorse. That's the old canal wall there.